Hey guys, George's Dump Trucking and Excavating Vlogs. How's everyone doing? Well, I'm coming today, let's straighten this damn camera out a little bit. There. Coming to you today from our shop. I'm kind of further back here a little bit because our shop has cameras everywhere, and I don't want to be caught filming doing this. One of my other coworkers, he's outside doing some stuff, and he knows I'm doing this film. But if I get caught doing any kind of videoing on the premises around the trucks and such, I've already been warned about this already from my bosses, not to be doing any kind of filming. They're kind of anal about it, and that's the way it is. So anyways, this is what you see in front of you here is a tank and a mixer used for making brine, salt brine for putting down on road surfaces. So we add our materials in there, and it mixes, agitates everything, and basically after that it pumps the material out to the tanks outside. So previously we've had plastic tanks. I think they hold like 25,000 liters, I think it is, maybe less. And we've had problems upon problems with the tanks because of the chemicals we've been using. They're eating out the seals on the valves, and actually the inside of the plastic tanks are deteriorating because of the materials we've been using. So my bosses had asked me one time about agricultural purposes and tanks and such, and I mean they've been using stainless steel tanks for agricultural purposes for many years. And I know of a couple other highways departments, United States and such other places, they've been converting to stainless steel tanks. So this is just something that we're trying out, and well, more than trying out, it's a big investment. So what's going on is I'm going up the valley to get about five or six tanks, stainless steel tanks, and it's kind of an experiment deal. Well, it's an expensive experiment, but what happens is the tanks, I think they hold like between 7 and 10,000 liters. The biggest tank we got is 10,000 liters. So we're going to be putting these on our trucks. We have a couple of Ford F750s and quite a few Ford F550 trucks. They're flat deck trucks, and we're probably getting a couple new ones particularly for this purpose of hauling the brine tank and such, the heavier built suspension and stuff. So yeah, instead of having the salt brine in the tanks outside in storage, we'll make it as we need it. I'll probably have one tank probably have one big stainless steel tank, and smaller ones on the trucks that we're ready to go. You know, it's just ready to go. Instead of having lots on hand, which causes a problem if we don't use it, if we dump it out, and that is a whole nother story. I don't even want to get into it. Dumping out excess brine, so it's a total pain in the ass. So this is kind of a cost-effective thing, and I'm going to try to do some filming of bringing the stainless steel tanks down on our tractor trailer. Gonna have to use one of our smaller trucks because everything else is being used. So we got I forget what the hell it is. Some International with a flat deck trailer on it. So I'm going to bring that down here, and I'll try to film it and show you guys what's going on and how many tanks I have on it. So that should be pretty interesting. So I thought I'd just chime in and tell you guys what's going on, and you know, have some extra content for the channel. Something you probably don't see very much on my channel, or haven't seen on my channel yet. Like, again, I would love to post videos of me working on the trucks, out in the trucks, or working doing the road maintenance and such on my job, but I can't because our trucks have cameras on the inside and the outside. Even my company truck has a camera on it, and front and back and such, and it makes it really difficult to film. So we'll have to do we'll have to make this what we got and such. So thanks for watching my video. If you're interested in this kind of a topic, give me a thumbs up, give me a comment, and we'll go from there. If you have any questions, post them in the comments. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye for now.